The last number up to date is 61. That's currently the number of people that are on the federal death row, and it relates to just how hard it will be for the United States to dismantle the system of crime and punishment that it's built up over decades. Now, as the New York Times lays out, President Obama ordered a review of capital punishment at the federal level in the United States after a string of botched lethal injection executions last year. The basic problem is that the chemicals being used in executions are basically experimental. That's because there's public pressure on the companies which produce the chemicals that are more humane to not sell them for executions, and so executors are using whatever they can find. Now, after a review of the system, Attorney General Eric Holder basically came up with a way to end the practice, but there was pushback against him from a number of quarters, some of them unexpectedly. Some worried what would happen to those on death row currently because they've been sentenced before the change. Progressives wondered whether or not states would revert to older forms of capital punishment like hanging and firing squad, and the Supreme Court decided to take up the issue itself, with arguments being held there on Wednesday, and the entire affair is now in limbo. And so all of this just goes to show that to change the system that's been ossified and calcified will take a lot of work.